Hello viewers, Microsoft has made yet another confusing change to how it lists the minimum hardware requirements for Windows 11, and many users are now unsure whether their PC is supported or not. Instead of listing individual interprocessor, Microsoft has shifted to listing processor families. This might look like a small change, but it has created major confusion. Number one, when users search for their specific Intel CPU in the official supported list, they cannot find it. Number two, the processor is often still supported, but because it is grouped under a family, users have no way to clearly identify their exact model. Number three, report included example highlighted by new when show that Microsoft lists one CPU from a family even though many CPUs in that family are supported but not mentioned. Number 4, this makes older but capable PCs seems unsupported even though they run Windows 11 perfectly fine. The communication gap adds to the frustration. Windows 11 minimum requirements were already controversial, and now this confusion restructuring makes it even harder to understand what is or is not capable. If you cannot find your Intel processor in the update Windows 11 supported CPU list, there is no need to panic. In most cases, a processor is still supported, but Microsoft new family-based listing hide the specific model name. Practically all CPU in the mentioned Intel generation continue to run Windows 11 without issues. In short, your processor is probably supported, but Microsoft new method has made the capability list harder to read and unnecessarily complicated. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.